Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you this campervan from Pilote, the V630J, and it's a 636 centimeter long campervan. And whereas you might think, oh, all these Fiat Ducato campervans all look the same, I actually don't think this one does look the same. I think that this one is extremely bright, as you can see as you coming in here, and I think it looks different. Anyway, what have we got here? Well, this might look the same, doesn't it? You've got a your kitchen extension, and you've got your two burners there, and you've got your sink there. You do get proper knobs, they've just been removed, but where I think it does start standing out is in here. This is a very nice looking washroom. We've got a sink here which will move up and down like that. And I do appreciate that mightn't suit everyone. I personally prefer a fixed sink, but there you go, that works like that. It has been a bit of a problem in the past is the toilet. I'm told they've got a new mechanism on the toilets to stop them jamming. We'll try that one in a different van, as this is the first thing I've filmed today, so I don't want, to sort of break the first thing whilst I'm still in a good mood. And here we have a sliding door. So I quite like it, although I don't really want to have a sliding toilet. In my opinion, they should be fixed, but maybe that's just my opinion. Others may disagree. At the back, okay, here storage along the back. Nothing unusual here. Actually, it's quite deep there, not too bad on that front. Could do with some windows in the rear doors, of course. Now, this is for those who want to sleep lengthwise, and at both sides I know it's the same length. Some vans have longer sides on one side, and in here you've got your wardrobe of sorts, and down here as well, bit of storage looking through there. And this obviously will come up, well, maybe not obviously, because and then you've got a bit of storage, wardrobe space in there. So it does look different to other vehicles. And well, fridge as you'd expect, and down here that a couple of shelves, as well as a potential being a wardrobe. So I quite like this. I think it could be the colour scheme. I like things to be bright, and that's what this is. So from that point of view, it does sort of gets my seal of approval. But I really would want to have a bit of play around with that toilet before I do anything else. All right, I'll give it a go. Oh, it worked. How about that? Oh, all right. Does it come out again? Well, we'll leave it for the moment. As you can see, you can hold it in position by that thing there. I really don't like the moving toilets, not at all. Fiat Ducato. Up here, it's as though it's been prepared to have another window there, but not. But there's one that is here. And how about the recessed window, which is there? Place your television up there. Storage here. Spice right here. We'll go on the back. I haven't got a price for this actually, but I can tell you it's less than 70,000 anyway. I mean, that's well, that's an educated guess actually, an uneducated guess. Small or medium, I should say, gas cylinder. There's your pump. Storage up there and there, and naturally this here will also lift up. So should you want to carry a bicycle or something, and you can move the whole bed over if you want to carry well, you'd have to move the whole bed over if you want to carry bicycles. You're not going to get a bicycle unless it's folding. Diesel heating, V630J evidence. quite like it on the whole, except for the toilet. I really don't like those toilets, but I've said that several times, so we'll just you have to accept the fact I said that now. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you found this interesting. Lots of other camper vans and motorhomes on this site for you to see. Moment, all the best from me in Dusseldorf.